Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial for a equals to 2 and b equals to 1. To solve this exercise, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square and the rules of exponents for power of a product with 2 factors, power of a product with 3 factors, and power of a power. Find the polynomial equivalent to the expression for a equals to 2 and b equals to 1. As a first step, I'm going to substitute a with 2 and b with 1. When I do that, this equals to 2 squared, 1 cubed, x to the 6th power, plus 1 to the 7th power, y to the 5th power, z to the 4th power, in parentheses, squared, plus 2y to the 5th, z to the 4th, plus 3 times 2 squared, 1 to the 5th power, in parentheses, squared. When I simplify further, I get 4x to the 6th power plus y to the 5th, z to the 4th power, in parentheses, squared, plus, I'm just going to write this next term, 2y to the 5th, z to the 4th power, plus 3 times 4 is 12 squared. As a next step, I'm going to apply the formula for binomial square for the first binomial. When I do that, I get 4x to the 6th power, in parentheses squared, plus 2 times 4x to the 6th multiplied by y to the 5th, z to the 4th power, plus y to the 5th, z to the 4th power, in parentheses squared. Next, I'm going to apply the formula for binomial square for the second binomial. When I do that, I get 2y to the 5th, z to the 4th, in parentheses squared, plus 2 times 2y to the 5th, z to the 4th, multiplied by 12, plus 12 squared. When I apply the rules for exponents as a next step, I get 4 squared x to the 6th power, in parentheses squared, plus 2 times 4 is 8, x to the 6th, y to the 5th power, z to the 4th power, plus y to the 5th power, in parentheses squared, multiplied by z to the 4th power, in parentheses squared, plus 2 squared y to the 5th, in parentheses squared, z to the 4th, in parentheses squared, plus, for the next term I need to multiply the numerical parts, or I need to multiply 2 by 2. 4 multiplied by 12 is 48. Y to the 5th, z to the 4th, plus 12 squared is 144. When I simplify further, I get 16 x to the power of 12 plus 8x to the 6th power, y to the 5th, z to the 4th, plus y to the 10th power, z to the 8th power, plus 4y to the 10th power, z to the 8th power, plus 48y to the 5th, z to the 4th, plus 144. As a last step, I need to add all like terms. Like or similar terms are the terms that have the same literal parts. In this expression, only the middle two terms are like terms. They have the same literal parts. The rest are unique. Therefore, they can't be added. I can add, however, the middle two terms. And when I do that, for this expression, I get, I'm simply going to rewrite the terms that I cannot add, and I get 16x to the 12th power plus 8x to the 6th, y to the 5th, z to the 4th. And now when I add the middle two terms, I get 5y to the 10th power, z to the 8th power, plus 48 y to the 5th, z to the 4th power, plus 144. This polynomial can't be simplified further and is the final answer for this exercise. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions. Thank you for watching and learning.